So before I get into this video, I want to talk about an app called Bunch. Bunch is basically just an app that you can connect with your friends and play games while you FaceTime, which is really fun. It's been so much fun during quarantine because obviously you can't hang out with your friends. So playing games while FaceTiming has just been really awesome, and that's what Bunch is. You guys should definitely check it out. I've been loving the game Flappy Birds. I play with my friend Annabelle. It gives me a lot of social interaction, which is really important to me, I think. So definitely check it out. They have so many games like Flappy Birds, Monopoly, Uno, things like that. You can also connect with like Fortnite and Minecraft and stuff, which is awesome. I love Fortnite. I know you guys have probably been really bored, so you can definitely go add me on Bunch and we can play together. That'd be really fun to interact with you guys. My username is just Olivia Messler. It'll be right here on the screen. Go follow me on there. And with all being bored, I've been doing that and redoing my room. So yes, go check it out and let's get into this video. So in today's video, I completely revamped my room a lot because with being home like 24/7, I was like feeling really down and unmotivated, and I really just wanted to boost my environment some because I feel like it was really boring and really plain in here. So I decided to spice it up a lot by adding pictures and just rearranging some things, and I really love it. It's amazing. I love it. Oh my god. So I'm going to take you guys through the journey of redoing my room and then a room tour at the end of this video. You guys might have seen a little bit of some sneak peeks on TikTok or on previous videos. So now you'll see them all, and I'm really excited because I love my room. I think it looks really good. So let's just get on into the video. Today I'm redoing my room. I've already started. Hi, pause. I want to pop in here before I get into the entire video, me redoing my room completely, because I just want to warn you guys, in this video I say the word cute probably 500 times. I know that can get annoying, so I'm sorry, but I do say cute a lot. But my room's really cute, so okay, that's all. Enjoy. Don't mind the mess. Here's like a change already. Put a shelf here for like a desk, you know, vibey. Move some things around. I'm still working on it, but this video, I just really wanted to transform my room. So yeah, I really like this situation I have. It's like a desk. So my room is an absolute disastrous mess right now. Like, it's pretty messy, so yeah. But this is what I've done so far. I got a show. I just made you dizzy. I'm really sorry. I kind of made myself dizzy. I'm all over the place in this video. Basically, it's the exact same color as that one up there, but it's bigger, and I put it there. I have my mirror and makeup chair, and I have the makeup thing. Mess. And then my bed. And then I moved my mirror to this corner over here, and then I have a plant there, and then I'm gonna use the old thing that I did my makeup on as like a side table because I think that'll be good. And I bought this lamp to stick on it because I think that'd be cute. Oh, I'm not getting like new bedding and stuff. I'm just kind of doing like rearranging it, and then I have a really fun wall, photo wall, basic, whatever. It's so cute. It's so cute. So I haven't been doing much to my room. I'll show you what I've done so far. I was just editing a video. You can go check that out. I forced a glow up. But here's like the little desk area. I think it's so cute. I think this section is so cute. My mirror. I have all these. Very cute. I still have to clean. And then this mirror over here I think is really cute with these bulb lights. They're just really cute. I had these. Cute. My room, like when I first started my channel, really cute, really good. Here's that. I have a lamp right here. It has like this for my charger and stuff, whatever. I need to clean everything up in my room because it's a freaking mess. Clean, and I don't want to. I need to blow this candle out. I might show clips of me cleaning, I don't know. I have finally finished cleaning my room, and for now it's done until I get what I got in the mail, and then I might order something else. I don't know. It's gonna be so good once this is all done. I'm really excited. So here is the view. So cute. I love it. This is what's new. I'll basically just show that. This is all new, like newly placed. Literally obsessed. So cute. My bed's the same. This is in a new spot. Literally love the lights. So warm and cozy. Yes. Go through my jungle. Over here, love this setup. I can charge my phone here. Got my chocolates. Got my new little tiny lamp. Camera charger. Super cute. Super fun. Such a better place to show outfits. Yeah. Okay. I'm so excited. I love redoing my room. I do it all the time. Bye. Room update. I haven't changed anything, but my hair looks cute today, so. I'm so excited. But I got the pictures and I opened them up, and I've been making I'm making like a TikTok for this as well, just because for this wall, because I think it's just super cute. And I got that Prequel app or whatever it's called, and it's so cute. Here they are. I love them. The ones are from Pinterest. I actually have a Pinterest board, so I'll put the name of it right here and my Pinterest and stuff, and it'll also be linked in the description. I would totally recommend this website, Peribow, if you want to get them printed like nicely instead of printing them at home, like if you don't have a printer or a colored printer or something. I'm so excited! Like here's like the start. So cute. It's so cute. Okay, I'll come back when I'm actually gonna start putting them up. I'm literally so excited. Here's what I've done. I'm hanging the last 2 pictures. Looks pretty good. But this is obviously finished. I love it. I think it's so cute. I don't think I'm gonna add more just because I think this looks good. But my dad is gonna try to fix this strand of LED lights, because I bought these ones, like the ones that do work in my room, and they the other packs, they didn't come with connectors, so they don't work. So I was gonna try to fix that. But I love my wall. It's so cute. So my dad's fixing it, so I had to disconnect the one that was like all the way through here, and then I'm probably gonna have to take this one off, and he's gonna fix it. Why is there a sticker on my it's like a clothing sticker on it. Had to move my mirror, but I'm finally getting it. It is working. So it's a little bit of a mess, sort of, but here's the overview quickly. But yeah, that's all for now. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I've updated this, but I just got more pictures in the mail for the wall. Yes, I took one down, it doesn't matter. This is a mess, yikes. Okay, got this light thing. It's the skylight thing, projector. It's super cool, especially at night. It's really freaking cool. It's really a vibe in here. It's turning into a vibe. Like, tell me that's not a vibe. I love it already. I'm gonna finish the wall, clean it up tomorrow probably, and then film the room tour, finished, reveal. Yes. Okay, so at my door, walking in, over to the left is my UGG slippers. You know, just have to have them quick, easy access for when I need to go outside or something. And then I have my laundry hamper. It has my pajamas in there, whatever. I finally have my LED lights that go all the way around my room. God bless. I also have this pin tack thing right here. This is so like detailed and you don't care, but I have this here to hang my keys. I swear the rest of the like room tour part isn't that unnecessarily detailed. And then I have my wall, which I'm obsessed with. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. It doesn't cover my entire wall, but I really like it anyways. I think it's super duper cute. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, I got all these pictures from Peribow, which I got them from Peribow. I just picked pictures off of Pinterest. I have a Pinterest board on my Pinterest if you want pictures like the ones I have. I'll definitely link that below and put like my Pinterest right here. and I really like the way it came out. I think it looks super duper good. And then I have my mirror that I've had forever. It's the most amazing mirror ever. It's so cute. Obviously, I moved it to this corner. It was over here. Now it's over here. And then I bought these bulb lights from Target. I've had these so many different times, but they kind of are cheap. So, like, the bulbs go out really easily. But I think it just adds a lot of fun into it. I don't know. I have this little fuzzy white like rug under it to add something, and then I have my big like plant. I don't know what kind of plant it's supposed to be, but it's fake. This is what that looks like. Over here I just have like chargers and stuff, and then my little pillow. And then what used to be my makeup desk is now my side table. Here, go through my jungle. I have my like journal. I have this skylight. It's amazing. Look at my ceiling. It's so cool. The camera doesn't do it any justice, but at nighttime it is sick. Then I have this little plant. I have a You Are a Badass book because I'm a badass. I have this salt rock. I have a little tiny lamp, this little man, all my chargers right there, a coaster, and my LED light remote, and a chapstick. I have this. This has been here the whole time. I have this. This has also been here the whole time. There's a message for you. That has stayed the same. I love my man up there. He's so cool. My bed has also stayed the same, except I added that little white pillow right there, but I love my bed. It's amazing. It's so cute. And then I have this laundry hamper, but I put a blanket in there. That's also stayed the same, but this is a big difference, or yeah, a big change. That has always been there, but look how cool with the pictures in the back. It's so cool. Okay. But basically what I did for this desk was I bought a shelf exactly like this one, but bigger, and my dad mounted it to the wall, and basically it is a desk now, which is really freaking cool. I've had this forever, but this is a mirror I got for Christmas. It just is like touchy. Hold on. Oh, it's not plugged in right now because my LED light was. I mean, not my LED light, my ring light. But I think it looks so cute. I have my ordinary skincare products. I have another remote to turn the lights on and off, or just change the color or whatever. And then I have some lip balm. Here, my concealer. This is like my makeup and brushes and stuff. And then a little cute plant. This is my drink. Phone. My laptop here. I was watching Dance Moms, whatever. I got these flowers today. I went and bought them. They're so beautiful. I love flowers, so I love them. I have this candle. It smells so good. I'm pretty sure it's Joanna and oh my god, I forget the name. Whatever. And then this is what I have my makeup in as well. Just like random stuff in here as well. Makeup bag, some candy, and I have a little purse that I bought from Goodwill. And then on the wall I have these little mirrors, just like rearranged, and that little picture that I've had all of this stuff, but I've just moved it around. And I think it looks super duper cute. Over here, I love it. I love the whole room just because there's so much more colorfulness. That was not a good sentence. There's a lot more color in my room with the whole wall, which I really love. It just creates a really good environment for me to do my work in and chill and everything. And I just really love it. So there's the overview of my room again. Can't forget the wall. The wall is magnificent. And that was it. I love my room. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this. It's gonna be so much fun to film videos like with this behind me. What a good background. Okay. That's all. Okay, that was my room. I love it. That was my room. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out Bunch once again. If you guys got any inspiration, definitely tell me in the description. If you guys got any inspiration from my room, definitely tell me about it in the comments section. Why can I not say that? And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Comment video ideas, comment something fun about yourself, comment whatever you want. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.